This is C-modell for rally car 42077. It's a C-modell that made by Crowkillers. You can find the instruction online. And it has not so many functions, but it's a very nice build. You have steering, of course, here with controlled by a little wheel here. And of course it has suspension on all wheels. Here. It has suspension in the rear. Working pistons in the fake engine. It can open the doors like that. I'll take a look under. Here you see, here the steering comes here and differential under there. Suspension here, all wheels. A very nice build. Good option to the A model and B model. You don't use so many parts on it. It's very many parts left over. So here's from front. It's quite tough. From the rear, the Crowkillers that designed this model. So if you have this car and want to build it, you can download the instructions. It's a link below my video. If maybe you see that's a Lepin model, but it's the same anyway. Well, thank you for watching.